Hi guys, Sweet Mimi Doll here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this cute little Christmas ornament, Santa ornament. And this is what you need to create this little cutie. Green polymer clay, red, gold, beige for the face, white glitter. If you don't have white glitter, you can use normal white for the beard, and black for the eyes. A roller and some tools, and let's get started. I already prepared some parts of the beard just to be in advance. And I already rolled polymer clay in beige color for the face. So you roll, and then with your finger you just flatten it out, because remember, this is going to be a flat ornament. So you make him fatty face, and then just mount it on your table. And for the beard you need like eight of those. You roll. I'm going to show how you can roll them. So you just roll your clay, white clay, into a long streak like that, and then you start rolling just like that. It's very easy, and you on the table, the help of the table in your fingers, you flatten it all out, and you've got 8. So, and then you grab the face, you put flat on the table, then you start working the beard. So you put one and the other, just glue there, and other. So I start flattening all out on the face. Grab the big one. There you go. And then you grab those two, the smaller ones. You come and let's see, yeah, like that. You put them like this. Oh, first of all, sorry. So sorry, you have to create. I'm just gonna put it here so you guys can actually see him a little bit better. See if it holds. Yeah, it probably does. So you create the mouth first. You shape a ball of beige color clay, and you flatten a little bit, extend a little bit, and you come here that's what you do. And then with your tool you open his mouth just like that. And then you start putting the other beard, those two. There you go. And then again with the beige polymer clay, you make, I want to make it bigger. Do a nice little bow. With the warmth of your hands, the clay becomes softer, and you give him a big potato nose. And then you come, so he's already starting to be really cute. You come again, just put it aside. On a little bit of clay, you roll a little bit, and we're going to make his eyebrows. Roll, and then you come with a knife or a cutting tool. You just cut two little eyebrows. Oh, I think it's this little longer, and you come and you put his cute eyebrows. You flatten. If you guys can see, it's really cute. And then I always like to work the the lighter colors first, because sometimes the clay, your hands get dirty, and the white clay gets dirty. So you grab a bit of black clay and you make two little dots or little balls of black clay, and you're gonna make his cute eyes, and you put them there. You go, and you come with your little tool, just make two little marks. There you go, just like that. So it's already becoming really cute. And then you come, just put this clay over there. You grab your red clay. You, of course, it's been conditioned, but because I put aside, it goes cold. You flatten like that, and you start pushing. Because this is a flat, ornament, this, of course, you go. It doesn't need to be completely 1000% perfect. You just make his little hat, just like that. Extend it. Always check. Extend his hat. And for example, you can come with your knife, cut a little bit. So you got the hat. You come and put the hat on his head. So I'm making him a little slightly bigger, so you guys can see how he looks like. So there you go. Then you grab your gold clay. You just grab a little bit of the clay. You roll. Like I said, it's been conditioned before. You roll and you extend like that. You come and measure like that. Yeah, it's good. And you flatten, and you come and you cut a little bit, and you do a slide like that, and you come and put on top of his hat. Go. It's already starting to look really cute. It's getting there. Then you grab the green. You grab like two little balls, or you can divide this too. It's a bit big. And you flat him on the table. And then you come, you put on the corner of the hat over there, you flatten, you point it a little bit like that, just to resemble, you know, leaves. Then you grab your red again, you make three little red balls, and you put them over there. There you go. Oh. And then you grab the gold again. Oh. Grab your ornament. Make like a bow. Oh. I'm going to use the warmth of my hand. Grab the ball over there. You flatten, and then you come and grab your tool, the pointed tool. You make 3 holes on those little red balls. Then you grab the flat tool, you make the leaves marks, and I think we are officially done. So there you go, a nice cute Christmas ornament from Sweet Mimi Doll. If you want to see the pictures of this cute Santa, just logging into my Facebook at Sweet Mimi Doll, or the link, you can find it here on my YouTube. Thanks for watching, and more tutorials soon. Bye bye.